Now, we all love turbos because of how easily they make power, but one of the better things about turbos is they just make all the right sounds. Well, today we're going to make this turbo sound a little bit better and have much better boost control with help from Turbosmart. This is Turbosmart's compact dual-port blow-off valve fitting your 2015 through 2019 EcoBoost Mustang. The nice thing about this, it's a plug-and-play. The factory one is electronic and so is this, making it a very, very simple installation. This has high-quality billet construction and it's a dual port. What that means is it'll recirculate like the factory valve, but it'll also vent to the atmosphere for that killer turbo sound. It's got high-quality billet construction, do a much better job of controlling boost, and have much faster response. For this installation, we need a 5mm Allen key and a pair of needle nose or hose clamp pliers. Your factory recirculation valve is right down here. The first thing we're going to do is remove this hose. Just give us a little more room to work. Now you get a good look at the factory valve right here. Okay, we're going to unplug the factory harness. Now we can remove the original valve. And then we can remove our factory valve. Well, the factory valve is decent. You can see the huge difference in build quality of the Turbosmart versus our factory piece. Again, it'll provide much better boost control, plus you get the sound of that dual port. And put it down into place and install with the factory hardware. Okay, now grab the harness and plug it in. All right, now you can reconnect the bypass hose. Double check everything and your installation's finished. All right, let's fire it up. This allows us to actually check for leaks, but we can hear how it sounds too. Now, if your car doesn't idle right, you can assume you have a leak somewhere or it's not plugged in properly. Like I mentioned before, the Turbosmart compact dual-port blow-off valve has much better construction than the factory. You're talking billet construction, much better internals, much better thermal, but really, it sounds a lot better than the factory setup. Now you're getting the dual ports, so some of it's getting recirculated, some vents the atmosphere, which really gives you that turbo sound. The installation is pretty straightforward, kind of tight quarters, but not too hard to get to. Figure no more than about an hour, and you'll be back on the road in no time.